Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter E from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a line down on the left side. Now from the top, let's bring it over, curve it up, and back around, stopping here. Then let's bring it down, over to the right, and back around. A curve down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out to the right and back down like this. Then let's close off the bottom with a curve. And that's it for the shape of the letter E. Now let's add the eyes. Inside the middle section, let's draw a curve across. Then lines down on both sides. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, let's erase that overlapping line inside. Now let's draw the right eye. On the top right, let's draw a line up and curve it out to the right. Then let's bring it down and curve it back in. And again, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a line across the center like this. And then underneath that line, a small black rectangle. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the teeth next. Underneath the right eye, let's draw a curve down, and we're going to bring it back up to the left. And then for the bottom row of teeth, let's curve it out and down. And now let's add 3 vertical lines in the top section, and then 3 in the bottom row of teeth. And that's it for the letter E. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!